So all in all, to this to my Z, everything cost me Did my mom really park behind me? Bros, look at that beauty right in front of us. Whew. Alright bros, so I was just thinking, I really haven't given you guys a cold start in a pretty long time, so let's get right to that. It's a cold start on a 2009 straight pipe 370Z. This Florida heat is way too much. Let's go ahead and open up the deadly hatch. Because I almost forgot that we need this beach chair. That chair back there, bros, crucial to today's video. Well, our spot is pretty much taken, bros. So this video is pretty much everything you need to know about the Nismo conversion. I'm gonna try my best to go into like full detail on everything you need to know, where you can buy it and where you should buy it, and how much everything cost me. Like I told you guys, this is the part where the share comes crucial to this part of the video. Oh, and I almost forgot, thank you guys for caring about me and not wanting me to chop my head off with the hedge. So I wasn't really planning on making this video, but I got so many DMs on Instagram and so many comments about the Nismo conversion, how much it costs, where you got it, and oh, by the way, if you don't follow me on Instagram yet, it's Z34_Lee, so go ahead and follow me. Anyways, I got so many DMs on Instagram, comments on the video asking me how much it cost, just everything, how much it cost, where I got it, if you should do it, what you need. So I'm gonna make this video and just cover everything. So let's go over what you need for the car. Let's go over everything you need for the car if you want it to be perfectly, like exactly as a Nismo. First, let's talk about what you need for the front bumper, and then we're gonna move on to the rear. Because the front you need everything, the rear you, spoiler alert, you don't really need anything. I'm also gonna put the item numbers because when I was looking for mine, it took me a while to find them. So for the front bumper, basically what you need is the front bumper. And the front bumper is just the front bumper by itself. We're not talking about the moldings down here or the tow hook cover or the logo, just the front bumper by itself, nothing else. The listed price for the front bumper is $570, but I actually bought it for $427 from where I bought it, which I'll get to that later. So for the front bumper conversion, sadly you need more than just the bumper, you need other things which the base model doesn't have. First, let's start off with the under tray. I could not find the original OEM under tray for the Nismo, for the 2015 Nismo, but you guys can go ahead and grab an under tray which is better from zspeedperformance.com. I'm pretty sure a lot of you guys have heard of them. And just to give you like a quick overview of how the product is, made of aluminum instead of like the cheap plastic that the Nissan comes with. And they have like a little door in the oil change, so you don't have to take everything apart, so you can just unbolt the little door and then do the oil change. It's actually really nice. So anyways, they sell it for $215, and that is not including shipping, which is probably like 15-20 bucks. And I would really recommend getting that under tray instead of the OEM one, because one, I couldn't find it, and two, it's a lot better quality. The next up, I want to talk about these moldings right here, which are the lines that come out of the bumper right there. I actually didn't know this, but you gotta buy those separately. They do not come with the bumper. I don't know the exact name, I couldn't really find it, but I do have the part numbers. And I don't know which one's left or right, but I'm gonna give you two different part numbers. Obviously one's left and one's right. And then I'm gonna tell you that originally they cost $45, and at my local dealer I got them for $33 each. So originally $45 each, and I got them for $33 each. So that's a really good deal. So next up, we're gonna talk about the famous DRLs that the car does not come with. So as many of you know, and probably the whole Z community knows, these DRLs are so overpriced, it's insane. I mean, it's just crazy. If you want the original Nismo, original everything, you're gonna have to buy the OEM DRLs, which guess how much they are? $600 each. $600 for each light. OEM DRL literally costs more than the headlight, which is absolutely insane. But if you do want to make that purchase, you can buy them at Z1 Motorsports. But as always, I got you bros covered. And I found another alternate DRL, which a lot of people have. And as you probably know, I'm talking about the Evil R DRL for $328, and shipping is $10, so they're $338. And the quality is really good. I'm probably gonna put a picture somewhere up on the screen so I can help you guys just decide what to do. Alright, so although that setup was really nice, from now on we're just gonna do a vlogging style. So next up, I really wanna talk about the Fender Liners, because before I did the conversion, I wasn't sure if I needed them. Honestly, I've had the conversion for like 3 weeks now, bro, so you guys have seen it. You don't need Fender Liners. It is good to have. I mean, you don't need an under tray or Fender Liners. But like I said, if you want the original, like perfectly fit, As you guys can see, there's like a gap right here. It's not perfect, but you can run without the Nismo fender liners. I don't know if you can see it, but there's like a huge hole in this fender liner right here. And that's because every time I'm driving, this isn't bolted on correctly and it hits the tire, and the tire has absolutely destroyed my fender liner. But if you do want to go ahead and buy the 2015 Nismo fender liners, I think they're not called fender liners. Online they're called Fender splash shields, I think. Let me see. Yep. Yeah, online they're called Fender splash shields, and you can find them for $55 to $60 each. Pretty expensive, that's why I didn't go that route, but later on in the future I'm definitely gonna buy them. Alright guys, so that's pretty much everything you need for the front bumper. The other thing you would need is the Z logo, but you can just transfer your old one to the new one. But that's literally pretty much it. Everything else you can just basically transfer from your old bumper to the new one. But I also think you do need a tow hook cover, so never mind that. I didn't really need to buy one, but if you do want to cover up that hole and just not have your tow hook out, then buy a tow hook cover. This is gonna make you guys really happy, but for the rear bumper you literally need nothing. Except you actually do need a tow hook cover, but it's only like $7. You cannot use the original one, as you guys see. As you guys can see, I taped mine there, but I'm definitely gonna buy one a couple days from now. And the tow hook cover is like $7, and you can buy it from Z1 Motorsports. As you can see right here, obviously fitment is perfect because the bumpers are from Nissan, they're not Duraflex. So if you do plan on buying Duraflex, I don't know what to tell you about the fitment, but if you're buying from Nissan, obviously it's a Nissan car, so the fitment is absolutely just perfect. To the front, as you can see, fitment is also absolutely perfect, guys. Just perfect all the way around. Which is a really big reason why I went with the Nismo and I didn't go with something like the, what's it called, Amuse. And those other things, because I'm probably gonna need to work on the fitment and all that. But if you buy it from Nissan, obviously fitment's gonna be perfect. I want to show you guys here in the paper about how much you're gonna spend. If you plan on doing the conversion fully, like everything, the paint included and all that, you're probably gonna spend around $2,234. I went to various shops and asked a lot of people how much paint would cost me, and I got an average of $300 per bumper. Now keep in mind, I did not pay $300 per bumper. I actually paid $370 for both bumpers. I wasn't charged for labor. I was only charged for the materials. She got pretty lucky on that. I sold my other bumpers, which allowed me to pay for the paint for this bumper. If not, bros, the reveal would have been a gray car with black bumpers. That would have been so funny. Now I want to talk about the setup that I have and what I left off on buying because it would cost way too much. For the front bumper, as you can see, I bought the front bumper and this moldings right here. Literally everything that I bought for the front bumper. The front bumper was $427, and then those two moldings were $71. So I'm gonna put the price right here and how much everything cost me. And then as we move on, the rear bumper cost me $393, and that's pretty much all the money I spent on it. So everything in total plus paint cost me this much right here. Obviously, I don't really want to include the paint because, like I said, I sold my other bumpers and that allowed me to pay for the paint. I sold my two other bumpers for $350 for both. I know it's pretty cheap, but I just kind of wanted to get rid of them, so I paid $350 for both. And then paint cost me $370, so I mean, it pretty much paid for itself. Now I want to talk to you guys about the most important thing, which is where did I end up buying the bumpers? I know a lot of stores sell them online, but where did I buy them? So I basically already said it during this video, but I bought my Nismo bumpers through my local Nissan dealer. They had a really good price and I didn't have to pay for shipping. I kind of just went to pick it up. So I saved a bunch of money on shipping. Yeah, I didn't really buy it through stores like Z1 Motorsports or Amazon or eBay. I really just recommend you guys to look through all your local Nissan dealers, which are like 1 hour, 2 hours away, and really make the drive, because I was looking online. Z1 sells you the front bumper with all the things included. You don't really need anything. You can just transfer everything from your old bumper to the new one. They sell it for like $493, I think, but then shipping is like $160 depending where you live. So you're not really saving money. So I really just look through your local Nissan dealers, calculate what's gonna cost you less, and then just go with that. So yeah, if you guys found this video really helpful and you guys do it yourselves, make sure you let me know in the comments below and leave a thumbs up. Bros, as you can see over there, there's a cop car, so hopefully he doesn't come, because I'm like in the middle of the street kind of. Hopefully he doesn't come over and tell me to like move or something. But I'll make sure to film that for you guys. All right guys, he's coming this way, so let's see what happens.
You alright?
Yeah, I'm just recording a video. Okay, that was good. All right, bro, so with that said, I'm pretty much gonna end the video right here. I mean, I literally told you guys almost everything you need to know about the Z. About the Z conversion and everything you need to know and buy and how much it's gonna cost you and everything. If we're not including paint, because I mean, basically the car paid for the paint itself, everything in total cost me between $1,000 to $1,100. If you guys plan on doing the conversion like me and just buying the bumpers and not really the fender liners or the under tray, just expect on spending around, I would say, $1,000 and $1,300, maybe even less. I mean, I talked to a guy on Instagram, which he got the front bumper for like $200. Like, what? That's insane. Also, I'm not including paint there. Paint might cost you, like I said, like 600 or so. So I know the paint part sucks, but something you have to do. Also, I have to thank you guys for the support on the last video. You guys really enjoyed it. Also, regarding the giveaway, thank you guys so much for giving me ideas for the giveaway. I'm most likely gonna announce the giveaway 3 or 4, I don't know, 2, 3 or 4 videos from this one. So also thanks to you guys, I have an idea of what the giveaway is gonna be. And do not worry if you don't own a 370 or 350, it's most likely gonna be universal. Also, I decided that I'm gonna try to upload at least 2 videos a week, and I think around July or so I'm gonna try to upload 3, and maybe even choose a week out of July and just daily vlog for the whole week. I don't know, bros, but I have a lot of good video ideas. People are probably like, why does this weirdo film himself? So with that said, bros, make sure you leave a huge thumbs up on the video if it was helpful to you or you enjoyed it in any way. Share with your friends. Let me know in the comments below what you thought of the video, if you're gonna do the conversion or what else I should do to the Z. Stay tuned for next video. It's gonna be a really good one. And from Brittany and I, we'll see you guys later.